Did you know that you can now build a huge email list using your WordPress site on complete autopilot? Yes, that's right. And you could do this without building any opt-in forms, without creating lead magnets or PDF reports, without any autoresponder software, and without creating any landing pages. Yup. You can add hundreds and thousands of real email leads in any niche on complete autopilot using the blog posts you already have on your site. Now, what happens when you have a huge email list? You can earn lots and lots of commissions and get new sales every day in just one click using the power of email marketing. Wondering how can you do all this? Well, introducing Leads Machine, a super smart WordPress plugin that automatically turns every blog post that you have on your site into a PDF lead magnet, and it builds your list. Not just that, it also automatically adds calls to action. And you know what? Opt-in forms too to every single blog post on your site, turning your entire site into a massive lead generating list building machine. Want to see how it works? Well, let me show you. Once you install and set up the Leads Machine plugin on your site, every blog post on your site becomes a list building machine. When a visitor comes to your site, he will see a link at the top or the bottom of your blog post. Too long to read? Download this post as a PDF. Now, this is very helpful because a lot of people do want to save good content for reading it later. When they click on this link, they are asked for their email address. You see how it works? Once they enter the email and submit, a PDF of that blog post is automatically generated and sent to their email address. Yes, you never, ever have to create the PDF manually. It's all done hands-free by the Leads Machine software, and you just added a new subscriber to your list. And the best part is now every blog post on your site is a unique lead magnet, powered to build your list automatically while actually helping visitors save useful posts from your site. It's ingenious. This is a big win for you and a big win for your visitors too. This is the most natural, smart, and easy way to build your list automatically. But wait, that's not all. With Leads Machine, you could add any kind of marketing content or offers into the email that goes out with the PDF download link. Now that is powerful, and you can instantly monetize the new lead that you just got. The fact is, once you add this plugin, whether you have 50 posts or 500 posts on your site, all of them turn into powerful PDF lead magnets with automatic opt-in forms and make your entire site into a list-building machine. Even the older blog posts you have from 2 years ago will become valuable assets for you and start building your email list, making you sales and commissions every single day. Now, how amazing is that? And all of this is done completely on autopilot. Just set it up once, leave it on your site, and keep getting new email leads every single day from your site. Now, this is a brilliant plugin, and it's perfect for anyone with a WordPress site, whether you are a hobby blogger, newbie, or professional. This is an amazing product for anyone who wants a bigger list and more money from their website. So what are you waiting for? Scroll down this page and download your copy of WP Leads Machine today. It's time to turn your entire site into a massive list building machine. Capture hundreds and thousands of leads and get more sales, more commissions, and make more money from your site. But you need to hurry. We have a special deal active right now, and the price is going up every few hours. So get in now and get the lowest possible price when you download WP Leads Machine today.